Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn product video downloads on and off in Kajabi. This is incredibly useful if you want to give your audience the option to download video content for offline viewing or remove that option to protect your premium content. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open your Kajabi site by heading to your Kajabi login page and signing in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, open your website editor for the site where your blog post or product page lives. If you're using a custom domain, simply navigate there after you've signed in to access your content. Next, go to the left-hand menu and click on Website. This will expand a set of options for you. From these expanded options, select Design. This is where you'll be able to customize the look and functionality of your pages. Under the Design page, you'll see a list of all the pages you currently have in your Kajabi account. On the top right corner, click on Customize. This will direct you to the page editor, which is where all the magic happens for adding or removing elements from your pages. Now at the top of the page editor screen, you'll see a selector button. Click on it and choose the specific page where you want to add or remove the download video option. For this tutorial, we'll use a sample blog post as an example. Once you've selected your page, look at the left side menu of your screen and click on the blog post body option. The menu will expand, giving you more customization options. Scroll down to the block section. Here you'll see an option named Add Block. Click on it to open up the block menu. From the Add Block menu, select Custom Block, then scroll down until you see the CTA or Call to Action section. Click on the Selector menu under the Button Action option and select Download a File. The menu will switch to reflect this action. In the Button Action section where you just added Download a File, click the Select File option. A pop-up menu will appear asking for the source of the file. You can upload the file from your own computer via local files, use Dropbox or Google Drive, or simply attach a link. Once the file is added, this typically should be a copy of the media you uploaded in your blog post. Next, rename the button text to Download Video. Once you're happy with everything, click Save. That's how you add a download button to your website pages or blog posts, giving your audience direct access to your video content. Now, if you want to remove the download option, it's even simpler. Just locate the custom block we've added, click the three-dot option on the right side of it, and hit Delete. The download button will be removed, and your video will no longer be available for download. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.